We picked the top push reel mowers based on how well they cut, how easy they are to use, how long they last, and whether they're worth the price. If you want a mower that's simple, quiet, and low maintenance, these options are great for small to medium yards. Whether you need a lightweight model for easy pushing or a wider one to finish faster, this list will help you choose the right one. Let's get started. At number 5, we have LawnMaster. If you're looking for a simple, affordable push mower, the LawnMaster LMR is a great option. With a 16-inch cutting width, it's ideal for small to medium yards and covers a decent area. With each pass, it has 5 sharp steel blades that give a clean cut instead of tearing the grass, which helps keep your lawn looking fresh and healthy. This mower is also lightweight and easy to push, thanks to its 10-inch wheels, which roll smoothly over grass. The adjustable cutting height, ranging from 1 to 2 inches, allows you to control how short your grass gets. Since it's manual, there's no need for gas, batteries, or cords. Just push and mow. If you want a low-maintenance, easy-to-use mower. For regular lawn care, this is a great budget-friendly choice. It works best on flat or slightly uneven yards, but may struggle with very tall grass if you don't mow often. At number 4, we have Earthwise Manual Lawn Mower. This mower is perfect for those with bent grass lawns, such as Bermuda, Zoysia, or St. Augustine. Unlike standard 5-blade models, this one has 7 steel blades, which means it cuts more precisely and evenly, especially on fine blade grass. With a 16-inch cutting width, it covers a good amount of ground while remaining easy to maneuver. The adjustable height, ranging from 0.5 to 2.5 inches, lets you keep your lawn at the perfect length. The 10-inch wheels help it glide smoothly, and the durable steel construction ensures it lasts a long time. This mower is best for thinner, fine-blade grass and works well if you mow regularly. However, it may struggle with very thick or overgrown grass. If you're looking for a mower that gives a clean, professional-looking cut, this is a great choice. At number 3, we have Scott's Manual Lawn Mower. If you want something lightweight and super easy to push, the Scott's 304 14S is a great pick. With a 14-inch cutting width, it's perfect for small yards or anyone who wants a compact and hassle-free mower. It features 5 heat-treated steel blades that stay sharp longer and give a cleaner cut. The adjustable cutting height, ranging from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, gives you control over your lawn's appearance. The 8.5-inch wheels make it easy to move, and the T-style handle with a cushioned grip adds extra comfort while mowing. One of the best things about this mower is its lightweight design, which makes it easy to push for longer periods without getting tired. It works best on regularly maintained lawns, but if your grass is too tall, you may need to go over it twice. If you need a compact, user-friendly mower that's easy to store and simple to use, this is a great fit. At number 2, we have Great States 8x15x18, 18-inch 5-blade. If you have a larger yard and want to get the job done faster, the Great States 8x15x18 is an excellent choice. With an 18-inch cutting width, it covers more ground in fewer passes, making mowing quicker and easier. It features 5 high-quality alloy steel blades that stay sharp for a clean and even cut. The adjustable height ranges from 0.5 to 2.75 inches, giving you flexibility based on your lawn's needs. The loop-style handle is designed for comfort and has a cushioned grip, making it easier to push even for longer mowing sessions. This mower is ideal for medium to large yards and is one of the easiest manual mowers to use. If your lawn has thicker grass or slightly uneven ground, it might take a little extra effort, but overall, it's a durable, reliable, and efficient option. If you want a mower that lasts long, works well, and makes mowing quicker, this is a solid choice. At number 1, we have American Lawn Mower Company 120414, 14-inch 4-blade. This is one of the most popular manual lawnmowers for a reason. It's lightweight, easy to push, and works great on small yards. With a 14-inch cutting width, it's compact yet effective for keeping a lawn looking neat. It has 4 steel blades that are designed to cut grass cleanly without bruising. The adjustable cutting height, from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, gives you control over how short you want your lawn. The 8.5-inch polymer wheels help it move smoothly, and at only 19 pounds, it's one of the lightest push mowers available. Since it's manual, it's quiet, pollution-free, and low maintenance. It works best for regular mowing and may struggle with overgrown or thick grass. If you need a simple, easy-to-use mower that's lightweight and efficient, this is the best choice. Choosing the right push reel mower comes down to yard size, cutting needs, and ease of use. If you need something lightweight and simple, go for a smaller model. If you want to cover more ground quickly, a wider mower with more blades is the way to go. All of these options are quiet, low maintenance, and eco-friendly. Great for keeping your lawn looking neat without the hassle of gas or batteries. Hope this helped you find the best one for your yard.